Welcome. Today we are exploring a fundamental concept in artificial intelligence, the vital role of patterns. Before diving into AI, let's establish a clear understanding of what patterns are in a general sense. If you find this content valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in AI. Patterns are repeated structures or trends found within data, behavior, or information. Think of them as predictable regularities. As humans, we instinctively recognize and use patterns every day, from predicting traffic flow to understanding conversation cues. Now let's focus on how AI leverages these repeated structures to function. In artificial intelligence, identifying patterns helps machines learn how different elements or pieces of information are related to each other. By recognizing these underlying patterns, AI systems can make informed predictions, solve problems, and facilitate decision-making with high accuracy. Pattern recognition is at the core of many AI applications you use daily. Let's look at some key examples. Visual pattern recognition enables AI to see, allowing for tasks like identifying objects in images, recognizing faces, or powering self-driving cars. Auditory pattern recognition is crucial for speech recognition systems, allowing virtual assistants to understand spoken commands and transcribe audio accurately. AI uses numerical pattern recognition in financial forecasting, stock market analysis, and predictive analytics to spot market trends and anomalies. Understanding why patterns are so critical clarifies the entire process of machine learning. By recognizing patterns, AI systems can effectively classify data, sorting inputs into meaningful categories, which is essential for almost any task. Ultimately, patterns allow machines to learn from experience, continuously improving their performance and solving increasingly complex problems over time. Let's quickly recap the importance of patterns in AI. Patterns are not just features in data. They are the fundamental building blocks that enable effective and intelligent AI systems. If you want to delve deeper, explore more content on machine learning and advanced neural networks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more content on AI and technology.